You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Happy Halloween!
Yes, our CBeebies friends have hidden some Halloween treats for Dodge, and we're trying to find them by following the clues.
Yeah, but we're not having much luck, are we, Evie? Oh, and I do love treats, you know.
Well, let's read the clue again, shall we?
Read it.
To find the sweet treats between you and me, you must pay a visit to our friend Teddy.
What do you think that means? Teddy? Oh, Teddy, yay! Oh, what's he got, Evie?
Oh, a rainbow!
Where is a rainbow? Oh yeah! Look, it's our rainbow, Evie! Yay!
Let's see. Oh, I can see a spider!
Oh, a spider. Now, where is there a spider in the CBeebies house? Next to you, Evie. It's next to you. It's next to you.
And look what I found. Your treat!
Oh, wow. Thanks so much, Evie. I do love doggy treats.
Don't thank me. Thank our CBeebies friends.
Thank you.
It's Halloween in the CBeebies house and we are having so much fun. In fact, I thought we could play a little game together. Do you want to join in? Oh, excellent. OK, so I want you to see if you can spot any monsters. And if you see them, you have to tell me. So shout out, OK? 3, 2, 1, go. What? Where? Over here? Where? There's nothing there. One's on where? The other side. What? That way? There's nothing there. The other way. Oh. Where is it? Oh, you said it was over here. What? There's one above me. What? Oh. I wonder if there's any more. What? Where? Down below? Oh, where have they all gone? Ooh. Hey, here they all are. We found them. You're really good at that game. What's your favourite CBeebies shows? Anytime, anywhere you like on the BBC iPlayer app.
Witchy, witchy, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Hi, Witchy! Pumpkin, pumpkin, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Oh, I like pumpkin soup. Cat, cat, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Meow!
Meow.
Ghosty, ghosty, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Boo!
Boo.
Batty bat, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do? Oh, I love Halloween, do you? Here in the CBeebies house, we've been decorating, so I thought I would make my own decoration. Look, a Flappy Bat. If you'd like to make one, here's how. To make a Flappy Bat, you will need black card, ribbon or string, a pencil, scissors, stickers for eyes, we've used yellow, and sticky tape. We'll start by drawing our bat shape, and for this we're going to use a little trick, which means we only need to draw half a bat. Fold your card in half. Starting near the folded edge, draw 3 arches with the first point quite low down on the card. This low point will be the bat's tail. Then from the edge of your last arch, draw a big curve all the way back to the folded edge. To give the bat some ears, you can draw a pointy ear shape at the top of the wing. But remember, you only need to draw 1 ear, thanks to our trick. If you're happy with your shape, you can now cut it out. Now unfold your card. Ta-da! A whole bat. Add some spooky eyes. We've used yellow stickers and drawn a dot in the middle. Now use some sticky tape to stick on your ribbon. And there you have it, your own Flappy Bat, the perfect Halloween decoration. It's Halloween and we're about to play a spooky game. OK, Dodge and Pugly have boxes in front of them and they have to guess what's inside the boxes using their paws. Are you ready to play?
Definitely. I love super spooky games. They are my favourite.
No.
Oh, what's wrong?
It's too scary for me. Evie, would you please do it for me?
Oh, of course I can. OK, Dodge, let's go. Ooh, OK, this is quite round. It's pointy. I think this is a pumpkin.
Oh, it's a pumpkin, or a snake, and or a spider.
Dodge is the winner with 3 points.
That was so much fun.
So, you weren't scared of anything? Doesn't anything scare you?
Nope.
Boom!
Wow! Oh, Evie.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends, like Numberblocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran, and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app, where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.